Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Play-Doh is probably one of the most versatile and imaginative toys available for children, offering endless hours of creative fun and skill development. From crafting colorful sculptures to learning basic shapes and colors, Play-Doh encourages fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and problem-solving abilities, making it a staple in many households and a beloved tool for both play and early education. Its non-toxic, easy-to-clean formula ensures a safe and enjoyable experience for kids and peace of mind for parents, solidifying its place as a timeless classic in the world of children's entertainment and learning. Number 5. Play-Doh Modeling Compound 10-Pack. Looking for a starter set or a refill? This colorful collection has everything your child needs to begin their Play-Doh adventure. From creating vibrant rainbows to mixing their own unique shades, this toy encourages endless creativity for kids aged 2 and up. This set comes with 10 2-ounce cans in a variety of colors, including red, orange, yellow, green, teal, blue, purple, pink, black, and white. It's perfect for classroom activities, playdates, or even solo creative sessions. A wonderful gift for any child who loves imaginative play. Enjoy the original Play-Doh quality, made primarily from wheat, water, and salt. It's rigorously tested for high quality and super fun. What we like? This is a fantastic option for endless creative fun. If you're looking for a way to replenish existing Play-Doh sets or want a simple, classic creative outlet for your little ones, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for encouraging imaginative play and hands-on crafting. What people say. The color selection is great, with the 6 rainbow colors, black, white, hot pink and teal. The set includes 10 2-ounce cans, each filled with a different, brilliant hue. The colors are not only appealing but also inspire a multitude of creative projects. The compound is non-toxic, making it safe for younger children who are still prone to exploring textures with their hands and mouths. Number 4. Osmo Detective Agency STEM Toy. Get ready to solve mysteries from around the world. This game brings geography, history, and culture to life right on your tablet. Watch as your real-life actions magically interact with the game. It's a fun and award-winning way for kids to learn without needing Wi-Fi. Use the included magnifying glass and maps to explore landmarks and discover fascinating trivia. You'll be a geography expert in no time. This game sharpens critical thinking, observation, and listening skills. It encourages experimentation in a supportive, stress-free learning environment. Perfect for ages 5-12+, it adapts to different skill levels, allowing continuous learning and growth. It's designed for children who love to explore and discover. Your kit includes everything you need: 4 double-sided maps, a map holder, a magnifying glass, and the Detective Agency game app. What we like? This product offers an engaging way to learn about the world. If your child enjoys puzzles and mysteries, and you want to introduce them to geography and history in a fun, interactive way, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for curious minds aged 5 to 12. What people say. The modules are educational but are so well done that children don't realize they are using math, logic, organizational skills, creativity, etc. The Detective Agency game is a must-get as it encourages you to think outside the box and search for missing kitten or items. You are constantly exploring. The main aspect of this game is it teaches you more about geography, and it does share some fun and interesting facts throughout the game, which I like. Number 3. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. Introducing the Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit, designed to make learning fun for your child. It combines physical play pieces with interactive digital games. Experience the magic of Osmo, where physical toys come to life on your Fire tablet. No Wi-Fi is needed for gameplay, making learning accessible anywhere. This kit focuses on crucial early skills like pre-reading, letter formation, and phonics. It also encourages creativity and problem-solving through engaging activities. Perfect for children aged 3 to 5, it provides a stress-free environment for experimentation and learning. Real-time feedback helps them grasp new concepts quickly. The kit includes everything needed to start: an Osmo base, reflector, costume pieces, sticks and rings for forming, a play mat, and 4 exciting game apps. Ensure your Fire tablet is compatible for the best experience. This kit works with specific Fire HD models, providing hours of educational entertainment. What we like? This kit is designed to build foundational skills for young learners. If you have a preschooler aged 3 to 5 who is just starting to explore letters, numbers, and shapes, this is an ideal educational tool. It makes learning feel like play with its interactive games. What people say. It's very interactive and it gets him excited to play along. Plus it's very cool that he gets to see his work on the tablet. The Osmo system has been such an amazing system for my kids to learn on. Endless of fun, and they are actually learning something while they play. My almost 4-year-old loves that it talks to her, and I love that it shows her what to do for all the games each time. Number 2. Osmo Creative Starter Kit for Fire Tablets. Introducing the Osmo Creative Starter Kit, an award-winning educational game designed to make learning fun for children aged 5 to 10. It brings digital games to life using physical pieces and a Fire tablet. This kit includes 3 engaging games that foster essential skills. Children can bring their drawings to life, solve physics puzzles, and learn to draw anything they imagine. It's designed for interactive learning, where every move is seen and reacted to in real time. This allows children to experiment and learn in a stress-free environment. The kit comes with everything you need to get started: an Osmo base and reflector for your Fire tablet, a creative board, markers, a storage pouch, and access to 3 exciting game apps. It's compatible with a range of Fire HD tablets, offering a seamless and magical learning experience. Please check compatibility details to ensure it works with your device. Through these games, children develop crucial skills like drawing, visual thinking, problem solving, and fine motor control, all while having a blast. What we like. This option sparks creativity through art and science. If your child enjoys drawing and is ready to explore basic physics concepts in a fun way, this kit is a great fit. It's perfect for kids aged 5 to 10 who love to create and experiment. What people say. He plays on his own or gets the whole family involved, and it sparks both imagination and real skills. This is absolutely perfect for her. She was so happy to get a new Osmo kit, and the fact that it's all about drawing and creativity made it even better. This def encourages creativity. The app is free, which is great. Number 1. KOKODI Kids Dinosaur Camera. Introducing the KOKODI Kids Camera, designed to spark creativity. It features an upgraded 48MP dual camera and 1080p HD video, perfect for capturing both landscapes and fun selfies. Let your little ones become photographers and record their amazing adventures. This camera boasts a 2.0-inch IPS eye protection screen, ensuring a safe and comfortable viewing experience. Its portable design with a lanyard makes it easy to carry, so they can capture memories wherever they go. With a rechargeable battery offering 2 to 3 hours of continuous use and a 32GB SD card included, there's plenty of space for thousands of photos. It's perfect for letting their imagination run wild without interruption. This versatile toy camera comes with fun features like cartoon stickers, filters, and even puzzle games. It also supports video, music playback, and timed shooting to meet all their creative needs. Encourage exploration with this adorable dinosaur-themed camera. Its durable, non-toxic silicone case protects against drops, making it an ideal gift for birthdays or holidays. It's designed to inspire a love for photography and discovering the world. The package includes the camera, USB cable, protective case, 32GB SD card, lanyard, and user manual. We're here to help with any questions to ensure your child has a fantastic experience. What we like. This is a great way for children to capture their world. If you want to encourage your child's budding interest in photography and videography, this durable and easy-to-use camera is perfect. It's ideal for kids aged 3 to 12 who love to explore and document their adventures. What people say. It takes really nice pictures, and it even has games and filters on there. The battery life is amazing. The quality of the photos and videos isn't professional, but honestly, for the price, it's more than fair. It's perfect for little ones to explore their creativity, learn about photography, and enjoy taking their own pictures and videos. The design is cute, easy to use, and made for small hands. It has so many cute filters and features, takes actual pictures. Has an SD card to save photos. Battery lasts almost a week, using it a few hours almost every day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.